You shouldn't be on there. No, you've got yourself up there. Now you're scared to get down. Oh. Excuse me. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. I am currently melting, as you will probably tell. It's just suddenly gone really hot and I've just lugged heavy bags back from Home Bargains with a big cardigan on because it wasn't that warm this morning. So currently overheating slightly. Hopefully I will cool down as the video goes on, but yeah, not complaining. I like it when it's warm, but yeah, looking a little bit like a hot mess right now. So yes, like I say, I have just been to Home Bargains. It's a bit of a random one. I got a lot of cleaning things, got a few treats. I just thought I'd share it with you because I know a lot of people like to see the good old Home Bargains hauls. So I will get straight into the video and I'll show you everything I got. So I've got quite a few cleaning bits. This I'm going to show you first because I actually need to hide this, because if Rudy sees it, or not sees it, smells it, then he goes crazy. It is these dryer balls. Does anybody else's dog just go crazy for these? Literally as soon as I got in, he knew they were in the bag, and something about sheep's wool he just goes crazy for. So I do need to make sure that these are out of his nose shot, not ear shot, nose, I don't know. I need to make sure that he can't get to these because he always wants to chew them. But yeah, I completely lost my other ones. I don't know where they have gone, but I got some more and I hadn't been using them. Obviously I am hanging things out a lot more with the weather being nice, but some things do still go in the dryer, and if you don't use dryer balls, then they are supposed to soften your clothes, reduce the drying time by up to 25%, reduces wrinkles, reduces static, saves energy, noise-free, eco-friendly. So they basically make the heat distribute more evenly through your dryer and get your clothes drier quicker and all that good stuff. So yeah, I thought I'd get some of these, and they were £2.99, so about £1 per ball, but hopefully over time you're going to save a lot of money on your electric bill and things like that if you do use your dryer a lot. I'm probably not going to use them that much at the moment, but you know when you just see things and you think, oh, I'll get them whilst I think on. So yeah, that is a pack of 3 of them. I also got some of this which I haven't used before, this bin buddy. I love that it's shaped like a little bin. That's so cute. So this is obviously to put in your bin to make it smell good. It controls the smells, it soaks up liquids, and it fragrance the bin. So you just shake it into the bin and yeah, it'll make it smell lovely, because that is always a problem I find in the heat, the wheelie bin being smelly, and yeah, not a fan of that. So this has got up to 45 uses for a 120 litre bin. I have no idea how big that is in terms of bin sizes, but I thought it'd be quite good for the bin in the house. Ooh. Oh, it's really strong. Oh, it's just, so yeah, it's just a little shaky powder. So yeah, good to put in your bin to keep all them nasty smells away. And that was quite expensive actually, £2.99. Please excuse my constant like sniffing and rubbing my eyes. Hay fever is driving me absolutely bonkers today. Pollen is kicking my ass, I'm not gonna lie. I also thought it was about time that I cleaned my dishwasher. I was obviously in the mood for that when I went in today. I thought I'm gonna get some of these jobs done. So I got some of this dishwasher cleaner. So this is in pink, grapefruit and pomegranate scent. So it does say you're supposed to use something like this like once a month. I have not cleaned my dishwasher for a long time. But yeah, you just take the lid off and tip them upside down, I think, and then it just, you know, run it on a cycle and it'll clean it. So if it's going to get rid of any bad smells from the dishwasher, that'd be great as well. It's just one of them jobs that I need to do. So you get one wash with that, and it was 79p for that one. And as well as the dishwasher, I thought I'd better give the washing machine a clean as well, because again, I think with the heat and everything, just don't want anything being like smelly or anything. So I thought I would give that a clean because that needs doing. So I got the Dr. Beckman. Always get this one, to be honest. I always feel like this is the best one for cleaning your washing machine. So it's just the powder. Oh, it does say you can use it in the dishwasher actually. So you just chuck all the powder in the washing machine and stick it on a wash without any clothes in it, and it will get rid of all the lime scale and all of that build up. And this is £1.99. Oh, 2 treatments are in one of these boxes. I also got some of these, which I've never used before actually, these tablets. I have read about making your own ones of these, but I just not tackling that right now. The Astonish Power Clean Toilet Bowl Tabs. These were £1.59 and I think you get 10? Yeah, 10 tablets in here. So you just put a tablet in, leave it for 20 minutes, and then it's going to clean the toilet. How amazing is that? Because that's just not a fun job for anybody. And I always rate Astonish. I think they're a good company. I find their things really good. It is one of the worst jobs, isn't it? So it gets 100% limescale, calcium, and rust. But yes, 10 tabs for £1.59. I thought that was quite good. I also got some Lenore dryer sheets. I haven't had these for ages, but I love them. Not just for the dryer, but for loads of other uses around the house. I find them really good. I literally put them anywhere. I can smell them from inside the box. They smell so nice. I love this scent, and yeah, I like to use them for all sorts, putting them in cushion covers, just tucking them into like vases of artificial flowers. I love them. So yeah, £1.99 and you get 34 sheets. The scent on them is so strong. I just want the whole house to smell like that. I also got some Bicarb Soda because I haven't got any of this left, and I find this so good. Obviously you can put it with loads of things for cleaning around the house. Really good for putting like down the plug holes, and yeah, just loads of different uses for it. So I thought I'd get some, again just thinking on whilst I was in there, and it was 99p, which is again a great price. It does tell you some things that you can use it on as well, so you can, I mean, it's just never ending. You can use it as a mild abrasive to clean cookertops, sinks and tiles. You can use it on carpets to deodorize them, like using it like a shake and vac sort of thing. You can put it in the sink with some vinegar down the plug hole, which is what I have done a few times, especially if the sink gets a little bit smelly or anything. I find this really good. Yeah, just so many uses. So it's one of them products that I think is really good to keep in, and it's only 99p. So yeah, good thing to have in your cleaning cupboard. I also got some of these, which I've been meaning to get for ages, because my air freshener that is on a timer has just been empty for ages, and it still makes the noise, but there's no air freshener in it because I'd run out. So I remembered to get some, and I got the 2-pack of the Luscious Cherry and Peony, which I think I've had before and is a really nice scent. Nice for like this weather as well. I really like the cinnamon ones and the I've forgotten what it's called, but they do like an apple and something, which is really nice for like Christmas time. But we're moving into the florals and the nice fresh scents that I want for summer. And yeah, these were, you get a 2-pack of them, and I think they were £3.99 for the 2-pack of them, and they last for ages, to be honest. I do really like the spray air freshener that I've got in the living room, and obviously if you haven't got one of them, then you can just use it as a spray because it's a really strong scent, and you could just spray a few sprays around the house. You don't actually need to put it in one of the automated things. But yeah, that is a nice scent, that is. I grabbed some pegs whilst I was in there as well. You know, really exciting things. Yeah, all of those things that you just think on whilst you're walking around thinking, oh, I could better get some of them. These are only 99p, and there is 24 pegs there, just soft grip ones if you're looking for pegs. I really needed to get some dry shampoo, and they didn't have the usual Batiste, it's Batiste, isn't it, brand. They hardly had any, so I thought I'd try this one, which is exotic coconut scented dry shampoo. I'm sure it's going to be just as good. Yeah, I was all out, didn't have any, so that's been a bit of a pain because I do love a bit of dry shampoo. It doesn't, my hair doesn't go very long without needing to be washed again. I'm not one of these people that can just like wash it once or twice a week. I have to wash it a lot. And this was, I think it was cheaper than the Batiste ones, 79p, so that's not a bad price. So we'll see if that's any good or not. I also got some doggy bags just because I did get Rudy a toy as well, but I can never show them because he's taken that away. It was a distraction from the dryer balls, so he is off living his best life with his chew toy. But the doggy bags are just 79p. They just last forever. You get 100 bags in there, so you know why I needed them. I got some carpet spray as well. I feel like I haven't bought this for so long. I've like stopped spraying my carpets when I hoover them, but I forgot how much I love it. So I got the 1001 Carpet Fresh in soft jasmine and linen. I just love scents like that. Anything that's fresh smelling is always ones that I would go for. How much is this? This was £1.89. That's quite expensive actually, isn't it? I hope it's nice. I'll have a little spray. Oh no. Oh, I thought it wasn't working. Oh, it goes up. I thought it was going to come out that way. Oh, that's snow. Oh yes, very good. Very nice, happy with that. I got a couple of tubes of toothpaste. So the little red one is the one that Archie likes to use, and I think that's about 99p for that. Yeah, that's 99p. He just prefers that one. And then I got the McLean's White and Shine, which was 79p. Always the best place to get all that kind of stuff, isn't it? It's always going to be the cheapest price if you're buying... That's Rudy dropping his bone on the tiles. It's always going to be the cheaper price for things like that in Home Bargains. So I always get that sort of stuff whilst I'm in there. Shampoos and toothpaste and toothbrushes and things. I also got a hair dye because it's about time that I sorted my roots out. So I'm still going to keep it blonde, but I really need to do something about this. So because I've got a lot of greys peeking through, I will dye the top again just a bit, just like paint it on, but also just do a little bit more bleach. I hope it goes well. If not, I'll be back to having brown hair if I can't do it properly. But this was $4.99 for this, and I just got the medium brown because, like I say, I'm only doing, I just want to do like just the bit there, and then the rest can be blonde again. Are you looking for those dryables, Rudy? You can smell them, can't you? I'm gonna have to move them, aren't I? You shouldn't be on there. No, you've got yourself up there, now you're scared to get down. Oh, excuse me. I'm actually gonna have to move the dry balls because he is going crazy for them. Maybe it wasn't a good idea for me to get them. That's really annoyed now. To come in with his new bone. I got you something. You can't eat dryer balls. I've talked about these before. These are just the best thing ever. These are like a grown-up party ring. Is the best way to describe them. I didn't know how to explain them, and then somebody in my comments did say, are they a bit like a party ring top? Yes, that is exactly what they are. They are so much better than that though. And I was just going down the biscuit aisle and I thought, you don't need anything. And then because they don't always have these in, I thought, I told myself, if they're in, then get some, but if not, then you don't need any biscuits. And thank God they were there. And these, I think they're 99p. Yeah, 99p for them. They just never last me very long. But they're a cute little biscuit, just about like this big, really nice for just popping on the side of a coffee. I would definitely recommend them if you're a fan of coffee and biscuits. Then this is a winner. And I did get something for the boys as well. I got some party rings. It is so much cheaper to buy just a box of party rings, but these are just really handy. Throw in the lunch boxes or a snack for when I pick them up from school. So yeah, there is 6 little bags of party rings in there. And again, I'm pretty sure that this was like 99p. Oh, 75p, which is probably cheaper actually than supermarkets because I'm sure they're normally about 99p. So yeah, apologies if you can hear Rude's chewing on that bone because he's just joined me in the living room now. 75p for 6 bags of party rings. And lastly, the thing that I cannot live without, I wish I could, but it is just my absolute addiction. It is Pepsi Max. I got a crate of this, and do you know what the devastating thing is? They had these on offer, 2 for £7, the 12 pack, but I was walking and I just knew there was no chance that I could carry 2 of them, so I had to just get one, so they're £4 each. But yeah, I couldn't carry, it was a good deal, but I just thought I can't carry all of that. It just wouldn't have been fun. So it was already heavy, all the stuff that I carried. So I just got the one, but they are on offer in Home Bargains, which I thought was a good price because you can get 24 for £7 then, which is cheaper than generally the supermarkets will do for like £8. So yeah, good place to get them if you're a fan. I just love it. I wish I didn't. I'm trying to cut back. I always say that, but it's like, other than water and coffee, I don't drink anything else. Like I literally don't drink alcohol on the weekend or anything, so to me I try to see it as like an evening drink more. And you know, like people will pour themselves a glass of wine, I'll open up a can of Pepsi Max. That's how I would chill out once the kids have gone to bed. So yeah, can't really cope without it. And I love all of the flavours as well. So I've not tried the lime one though. I've seen a lime one. I'm not sure what I think about that. And that's everything. That is my little haul. A lot of cleaning stuff. You can see what kind of mood I'm in. I had a look at the homeware. Nothing seems to be particularly new. Everything is pretty much the stuff that I've seen before, so nothing new. There was a couple of cushions that I hadn't seen before that were nice, but they wouldn't go, not that I need any cushions. but there was like some nice like leaf designs on them. I don't know whether they've got them on the website, but yeah, nothing stood out as being amazing for like homeware stuff. So I stuck to the essentials, and yeah, I'm gonna get my spring clean on. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. So if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. That'd be really nice, and I would love to see you again for my next video. Take care everyone. Bye.